On the 25th of March, St. Lucia and the rest of the world will be recognizing Earth Hour. Earth Hour is a global event which encourages people to turn off their non-essential lights for 1 hour. The event serves as a commitment to increasing awareness about the impacts of climate change and to take action against it. Locally, the Caribbean Youth Environment Network, C.Y.E.N, has taken the lead on promoting the March 25th event. C.Y.E.N has been to a number of schools and business establishments, spreading the message of climate change and generating greater participation of St. Lucians for Earth Hour. Treasurer of the Caribbean Youth Environment Network, Joanne Husbands, explains.
The Caribbean Youth Environment Network is having, or rather observing, Earth Hour. Earth Hour is a global environmental grassroots movement which is happening all around the world, which shows commitment to taking climate action to change climate change. The Earth Hour is basically about turning off the non-essential lights for 1 hour from 8:30 to 9:30. Earth Hour normally happens in March every year. Earth Hour came about by the World Wild Fund. It started off with them and it was observed first of all in Australia in 2007, and it has moved across to over 7,000 cities across the world. It is a symbol to show commitment to climate change and a symbol to taking better care of our planet.
It is the intention of C.Y.E.N to develop youth action programs which will highlight issues contributing to climate change and to find solutions to addressing these problems. One such event is a video and essay competition being held for primary and secondary schools around the island.
The theme of Earth Hour this year is to shine a light on climate actions. So we wanted to have a competition where we are encouraging the secondary school students for a video competition to make submissions based on that theme of the importance of the life of our oceans, and it's important to us as St. Lucians. We want them to submit a 1 to 5 minute video clip of good quality. Also, it should be no more than 1 gigabyte. It should be loaded on WeTransfer.com or sent directly to us via earthhourstlucia@gmail.com. We are also having a essay competition with the 6th graders where we want them to make submissions for a word limit of 200 to 300 words, and the submissions could be dropped off at the various district offices around the island, or it could also be emailed to us at earthhourstlucia@gmail.com.
The Caribbean Youth Environment Network throughout the year will continue to focus on empowering young people and their communities by addressing socio-economic and environmental issues with similar programs.
In addition to that, we have other events such as Ecotopia and the International Coastal Cleanup, and we are observing various environmental days such as Youth Day of Climate Action and other days that we would want to highlight its importance, not only the youth but to St. Lucians, and how climate change is affecting us as a small island developing state.
It is the goal of C.Y.E.N to develop a greener and more sustainable St. Lucia through its public relations and social media presence. Randall, Lubin, CTV News.